Hey friend, Adam from CloudSpot here. In this video, I'll show you just where to customize your brand on CloudSpot to give your clients a seamless experience, and how to make email templates in order to streamline your client communication. Let's dive in. To start, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on My Account, and then Settings. The section titled Storage is where you'll be able to see just how much space is being used by all of your photos. You can always upgrade anytime based on your needs by clicking on the section above titled Upgrade. In user settings, you can edit your account email address, company name, password, and the reply to email you'd like to use when sending emails through CloudSpot. In gallery branding, you can add a logo to show in your galleries as well as a logo for your gallery cover pages. You are also able to set a special gallery accent color to complement your brand, adjust the default gallery language, and add a watermark file as well. In the portfolio settings area is where you have the ability to change the custom subdomain of your account. This is connected to the subdomain shown on your portfolio page, as well as each of your CloudSpot galleries. This section is also where you can easily get a snippet of code to inject your CloudSpot portfolio page in your own site, or any other web page. You can even inject just a single category of your portfolio page, so there are a ton of possibilities here on how you can leverage this to create an awesome experience for inquiring clients and even vendors. The email settings section is the place to really set yourself up to save tons of time in your business. There are two different types of templates on this page. First, the sharing template section will be used when sending galleries and apps from your account. You can create templates for every different type of client you have, including vendors. Under gallery expiration templates, these can be set to automatically send to your gallery visitors at a predetermined amount of time before your gallery is set to expire. These templates also have a nifty feature called dynamic text, which allows you to include gallery-specific information in the automated email with no extra work. There's a super helpful article in our Help Center that goes over dynamic text in much greater detail. If this is your first time viewing this section, you'll see that you have one generic template in each section to get you started. But to create a new email template, just click on this plus sign. You can also modify an existing template by clicking on the pencil icon. When customizing templates, you're able to change the text, email background color, or layout. Finally, you can add your logo to display at the top of each email, and also add any social media links that you'd like added to the footer of all your emails. Below email templates lives the billing section where you can update or add a payment method to your account. Lastly, we have the integrations tab. Here you can get information about all the different services that you can integrate with CloudSpot. Once you have these sections customized to your business, CloudSpot now becomes totally invisible to your clients and your brand becomes the hero, as it should be. If you have any questions about CloudSpot's features, feel free to contact us in the chat bubble here in the lower right-hand corner. We're here and we're happy to help.